Join me as I take on the challenge of turning HVAC leads into real revenue in record time. If you're running an HVAC business, you know how crucial leads are for growth. But getting those leads is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in converting them into paying customers quickly. Effective lead management can make all the difference here. Think about it, the faster you can turn leads into revenue, the more competitive you can be in a crowded market. Many HVAC businesses struggle with converting leads, and it's often due to common pitfalls. One major issue is a lack of follow-up. You get a lead, and then nothing happens. The lead goes cold, and eventually, they turn to your competitor. Poor communication is another big problem. If you're not speaking directly and clearly to your potential customers, they're going to lose interest fast. And then there's the issue of not having a clear strategy for lead management. Without a plan, leads can easily fall through the cracks. These challenges can be tough to overcome, especially if you're managing a team. It's easy to get caught up in daily operations and neglect your leads. But that's when the competition steps in and snatches them away. A lack of follow-up and poor communication don't just delay conversions, they can also damage your reputation. If leads feel like they're being ignored or not valued, they'll take their business elsewhere. The consequences of poor lead management go beyond just lost revenue. They can also affect your team's morale. When leads aren't being converted, it can create a sense of frustration and burnout. Your team starts to feel like they're not making progress, and that can lead to turnover. So, it's crucial to address these challenges head-on. Another aspect to consider is the customer experience. When leads don't hear back from you, or when they're not communicated with effectively, it creates a negative impression of your business. In today's digital age, word spreads quickly. A few bad reviews or testimonials can deter potential customers from reaching out to you. So, what can you do to nurture your leads effectively? It starts with timely follow-ups. The moment a lead comes in, you or your team should be on it, fast. This doesn't mean bombarding them with calls or messages, but rather making that initial contact swiftly. Personalized communication is also key. Leads want to feel like you're speaking directly to their needs and concerns. Leveraging technology can also make a huge difference. Automation tools can help you stay on top of follow-ups and keep leads engaged with personalized messages. For example, you can set up automated email sequences that provide valuable information to leads, helping to build trust and keep your business top of mind. Moreover, understanding your leads' behavior and preferences can guide your communication strategy. By analyzing data on how leads interact with your business, you can tailor your approach to meet their needs. This could mean sending follow-up messages based on their specific interests or offering solutions to common problems they face. Let's look at a real-life example of how one HVAC company turned the tide on lead conversion. They implemented a system where every lead received a call within the first hour of inquiry. They also used a CRM to track interactions and ensure no lead was left behind. The results were impressive. The company saw a significant increase in conversions, and their revenue grew as a result. What was key here was not just the technology but also the strategy behind it. They made sure their communication was personalized and relevant. Their approach didn't stop at just making calls and sending emails. They also focused on providing value through informative content. This helped build trust with potential customers and positioned the company as an authority in the HVAC industry. A crucial part of their strategy was measuring and adjusting. They constantly looked at their data to see what was working and what wasn't. This allowed them to refine their approach over time and continue to improve their lead conversion rates. In turning leads into revenue, every step counts. From timely follow-ups to personalized communication and leveraging technology, these strategies can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching. If you've had a similar experience with lead conversion, comment below and share your story. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your HVAC business. And if you're looking to take your lead generation to the next level, check out our next video on advanced techniques.